Hello? Yeah, my wife. This is the menu. Order what you want. Come. Hello?
Okay, my husband.
Hello?
Oh my God. The food is very cheap here in this restaurant. Hey, everyone, listen. Order whatever you want to eat, whatever you want to drink. My husband is going to pay.
Thank you, madam. God will bless you.
Thank you.
Waiter, give me a chicken, a big one.
Hey, bro.
Yeah.
This is a big opportunity, man.
Yeah.
What do you want to order?
Pasta.
Pasta, right?
Yeah.
Waiter, get us big pasta.
What do you guys want to eat?
Pizza.
Pizza? Waiter, give us 2 pizza.
Okay, bye. Okay. My wife, I'm so sorry.
It's okay, my husband.
Did you call something?
Yeah, let's eat.
Oh, wow. That's good.
Big man, God bless you. I'm so happy for you.
Me?
You deserve to live a long life. Thank you so much for today, for what you have done to us.
Oh, man. What is God? What? Somebody tell me something.
You will know later. And God keep your wife for you
Jesus.
and bless her.
What is going on?
What is your name?
My name is Benton. What
Yeah,
is going on?
Penton, God bless you. What you have done today, something big. It's not small.
What did?
You will know later.
Thank you, man.
I hope tomorrow to meet you again. See you tomorrow.
Boss, thank you. More blessings. Madam, thank you.
Sir, thank you so much. Madam, thank you so much. Your bill is 1,000.
What?
Yeah,
How?
there was 1 chicken there, and 1 pasta, and there were 2 pizza.
No, wait.
Plus,
How is that my business? These are your customers.
your madam ordered for them.
What?
Yes, my husband, look. The things are very cheap here. Look, 20, 40, and 60.
Do you know that 60, 40, 20 that you are talking about is dollars?
What is dollars?
What is dollars?
Sir, calm down. What is the problem?
My friend, come down from where? Where will you get this money?
You don't have the money right now?
What? $1,000 in this economy.
It's okay. We have a solution for you.